Hi everybody and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, currently ranked at 159, steadily pushing up the ranks, right, with a market cap of about $169 million. We have a 24-hour volume for about 25.65 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And so for today, we are down about 0.8% right there for YFI. And without further ado, let us move over to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. And one of the things we have been looking at right here for YFI was the zone, right? This 5,000 to $5,100 zone. We said somehow the market maker always protects this zone, right? If you had just buy YFI every single time prices come to this level, you have always been in profit. As you can see, 5,000, we saw a push to the upside. Currently we are retesting that level, so somehow the market makers and the whales always are protecting this $5,000 level, right? So this is a very good level to begin to buy your YFI, or to dollar cost average into your YFI. Like we always said, every single time we saw prices pushing to this level, right, after some time, right, we see that huge push to the upside. Same thing right here, huge push to the upside. Same thing right here, bounce. Same thing right here. And so currently we are at that level right here, which the market maker loves to protect at this $5,000 level. So expect some sort of huge bounce to the upside are coming soonest, right? We could see that push to the 200 EMA, retest the 50 EMA, and we could see that push to the upside, right? So expect a bounce probably to this 5,400 in the next few days. That could be a push of about 8% to the upside right here for YFI. And I'll tell you more reasons why we are expecting that push to the upside. Because if we basically just look at the volume profile, right? If we just look at the volume profile, we could see that every single time we saw momentum shift in favor of the bulls, right? As you can see, momentum was in favor of the bulls. We have seen that push to the upside. Currently, momentum is to the bears, but we can't even see any serious selling volume happening right here. So we are still bullish, and we are expecting prices to see that push even to the upside currently, right? So YFI is still bullish, and we are still expecting bullish price action. So this is something you want to consider, and if you want to add to your stash at this level, as our YFI still looks very bullish at the moment, right? So that's the analysis for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.